Hi there, welcome to our channel. Last year we didn't see a new Fossil smartwatch, so our attention now turns to 2021 when we'll finally see the new Gen 6 smartwatch. Now Fossil did launch a Gen 5 LT smartwatch at CES 2021, but that's just a variant of Gen 5, it's not very different. It's similar to the previously revealed Fossil Gen 5 but with the addition of LT technology. So now it's about time we talk about the Gen 6 smartwatch from Fossil. This may come in two sizes, 44mm and 42mm versions, making it a better fit for slimmer wrist and offering a great fit and look. The most important upgrade comes in the form of processor. Fossil is stuck on Wear 3100 for majority of smartwatches, but for the Gen 6, it will get Snapdragon 4100 Plus setup. The number of Wear OS watches packing the 4100 Plus Wear processor is still small. Qualcomm says it will offer 85% improvement in performance and speed compared to the current Wear processor packed into the Fossil watches. This chipset not only increases the performance but also the battery life. Don't expect a drastic change, but it could make it possible to get multi-days use and enjoy the rapid charging support that it already offers for its watches. Next is the LTE support. With the Gen 5 launching the LTE variant in January this year, it's highly likely that the Gen 6 will come with LTE as well. LTE will let you do things like view notifications and make calls without relying on being connected to your phone, but it looks like it's only going to be available for Android phones. Lastly, about its health and fitness, Fossil smartwatch hasn't been the most pleasing experience on the whole, but back in August 2020, Fossil rolled out an update to its Gen 5 watches, adding features like native sleep tracking and the ability to better track VO2 max for those that take their fitness tracking more seriously. And the fact that Google's acquisition of Fitbit has now been completed, we could expect Fitbit's expertise to improve the underwhelming Wear OS fitness tracking features. It's also expected to get GPS. So that's all for now. For more updates, do subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching. Peace out.